Good morning, kids. Welcome to our English class. This is our phono drill book. Read aloud phono drill book and open the page number 3535. As you know, we have already done in words and ip words. And today we are going to read I sound ig words. I says E. G says G. E, G, ig words. So look at here and read the words with ig sound. J. J says J. J, ig, jig. J, ig, jig. The next word is D. D says D. D, ig, dig. He is digging, dig. F says F. F, E, G, fig. This is a picture of fig. W says W. W, ig, wig. This says wig. Some people use wig. G. G says G. G, ig, gig. G, ig, gig. B. B says B. B, ig, big. You know the meaning of big is? Big means bada. Big, small, big. This is big. Now the same words we will write in our English workbook. This is our English workbook and open the page number 4. Here we will write C.W, that is for classwork. Now first we will read the word, then we will write the word. First read this word B. B, ig, big. We will start from this blue line. B, E, G, big. Now the next word, read this word D. D says D. D, ig, dig. We will start from this blue line. D, E, G, dig. F, F, ig, fig. We will start from this blue line and we will touch the bottom line. F, E, G, fig. P, P, ig, pig. P, E, G, pig. R, ig, rig. R says R. First we will write R, E, G, rig, wig. W, ig, wig. W says W. W, E, G, wig. Now read this word very carefully. T says T. W says W. Tw, ig, twig. T, W, ig, twig. So students, do these both lines on page number 4. Now students, on page number 33, we have already done IT, it words, and these are IB, ib words. So now we will read these words and same words we will write in our English workbook. N says N. N, ib, nib. This is a nib. Nib of pen, nib. F. F, ib, fib. F, ib, fib. B, I, B, bib. B, ib, bib. Small baby wear bib. R, ib, rib. R, ib, rib. Read these words from page number 33 and now we will write the same words in our English workbook. So students, open the page number 5 and here on this page we have ib words and ix words. So here we will write C.W and now read these words. B says B. B, E, B, bib. So we will write B, E, B, bib. N-I-B, nib. N says N. N, ib, nib. First we'll write N, I, B, nib. The next word is R. R, ib, rib. R, I, B. We'll touch the blue line. Rib. So students, now here is I. I says E. X. You know the sound of X is X. Adha K and S. X. E, X. X. X words. So here F. What is the sound of F? F. F, X. Fix. F. We'll touch the bottom line. F. From this tail. E. X. Fix. Fix means if we want to fix the picture on page, then we can fix the paper with the help of glue. Mix. Mix means mixing karna. M. M says M. M, X. Mix. M, I, X. M, X. Mix. S says S. S, X. Six. Six means these are 6 fingers. 6. S, I, X. 6. 6 number. So students, complete this page number 5 and keep learning. Bye bye.